Good morning, dear students. How are you all? So, have you practiced A to Z? Yes, now I have taught you all the letters from A to Z. Now, what is our next step? Our next step is to write A to Z, right, starting from A till Z. अभी तक मैंने आपको कैसे सिखाया था? जिनकी फॉर्मेशन इजी है वो मैंने आपको पहले सिखाया था. But now, as we have completed all the formations, so now I am going to write down from A till Z. Okay? So now come to the blackboard. See, this is like a page, जैसे कि आपकी कॉपी में पेज होता है ऐसे. First of all, what you will do, you will write down the date, and on the first 4 lines you will write down the heading. आप कभी हेडिंग ऊपर खाली जगह पे नहीं लिखेंगे, 4 लाइन्स पे लिखेंगे. राइट A to Z एंड इस हेडिंग को हमेशा आप ब्लू कलर से अंडरलाइन करेंगे. अंडरलाइन करने का मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि आप उसको बहुत डार्क करें. नो, ओनली 1 लाइन विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्केल एंड क्रेयॉन. यू आर ऑलवेज गोइंग टू अंडरलाइन द हेडिंग विद द ब्लू क्रेयॉन. सो नाउ ऑन द फर्स्ट कॉलम वी आर गोइंग टू राइट A. कैसे लिखते हैं हमें? स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द कॉर्नर, slant up, down, up, turn and tick. This is the formation of A. After A comes B. Starting from the corner, slant up, a turn, down. A B formation like a print letter and a small tick. This is the formation of B. Now what comes after B? After B comes C. Starting from the corner, a little ahead, with the same line come back, touch the blue line and go up. This is the formation of C. After C comes D. Starting from the corner, just like the formation of A. But we are not going to stop on the blue line. We'll go to the red line, down and a tick. This is the formation of D. After D comes E. Slant line, turn like a C and a little up. So this is A, B, C, D, E. Now after E comes F. How do we write F? Starting from the corner, slant till red line and turn again, come back till red line, turn and a small tick. This is the formation of F. What comes after F? G. Again the same formation of A, the way you write A, but instead of going up, you will come down red line and a tick like Y. G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now comes H. Starting from the corner, slant up, a turn like L and then a formation like N. This is the formation of H. I. Slant up, slant down, a tick and a small dot. This is called I. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Slant up, slant down till red line, a little turn and a small dot. This is called J. Now after J comes K. Starting from the corner, slant up, a turn like L, again go up, make a small circle and a tick. This is K. We'll read it again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. L is very easy to write. Everyone knows how to write L. L. After L comes M. Slant up, down, up, turn, down, up, turn, down, and a tick. This is N. N. Starting from the corner, slant up, down, and a tick. This is N. KLMNO. Very easy to write O. Starting from the corner, make a circle and an inside turn. This is called O. What comes after O? P. Starting from the corner, turn like L, slant down. With the same line, go up and turn like a N. This is called P. After P comes Q. The same formation like A. Go down and a slant tick. This is Q. After Q comes R. Slant up, turn. Again touch the blue line, slant down and a tick. This is R. Slant up, turn, make the formation of S like 8, touch the slant line, go back and a little tick. P, Q, R, S, T. Slant up, down and a turn and a sleeping line. This is T. So let us revise once again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Now comes U. Slant up, down, turn, up and a small tick. U. V. Slant up, down, slant up and a small tick. W. Slant up, down, up and a small tick. X. Slant up, a one turn opposite and another turn like a C. X. Y. Slant up, down like a U, go down till red line and turn. And the last letter Z. Starting from the corner, slant up, one turn, two turn and a turn like Y. So this is the formation from A to Z. This way you are going to write. Now let us once again revise, have a quick revision of A to Z on the blackboard now. See again I'll tell you, first of all you will write down mention the date 13, 7 and 20 and on the 4 lines you are going to write A to Z. Always write in 4 lines and you are going to underline it with blue color, only one single line. So again let us do once practice. First letter A. Starting from the corner, turn, down, tick. B. Starting from the corner, turn, up, turn and B. C. D. E. देखा आपने A, B, C, D, E. Then after E comes F. G. H. I. J. After J, K. Starting from the corner, turn like L. Again a turn, a small tick. L. A very simple letter to write. L. M. Starting from the corner, slant up, down, turn, tick. N. Starting from the corner, down, up, and tick. O. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, KLMNOP. Starting from the corner till red line, down till red line, and a turn, P. Q, just make a formation like A, straight down till red line and slant up till blue line. R, slant up, turn, touch the blue line, down, blue line and turn. S, slant up, a formation like half 8, touch the slant line, go back, a little turn. T, a very slant line, turn like L and a small tick. U, V, W, X, Y, and the last letter Z. So this is the formation. Once I have written it on the whiteboard, and the second time I have written it on the blackboard. So students, you have to practice this every day. You must know which letter comes after which letter. Now you know the formation. Write at least twice, A to Z, A to Z. And then we are going to start further the joining of letters. Okay? तो आप सबको समझ में आया है? अच्छे से बिल्कुल इस तरीके से लिखना है जैसे मैम ने लिखा है, और दिन में एक बार जरूर लिखना है, एटलीस्ट 2 times, A to Z, A to Z. हेडिंग भी 4 लाइन्स में डालनी है, उसको ब्लू कलर के क्रेयॉन से अंडरलाइन करना है. ऐसे ऐसे कलर नहीं करना है, अंडरलाइन मतलब सिंगल लाइन. Is it clear? So now after this writing, I'll start doing the sound.